bird in flight. Expectations. Possibility of being different. There's a warrior inside. She cannot bear change, cannot afford to change, but she's already awake and will never be the same. She gets back to the routine, but it's not as it was. Gets a glimpse of what being herself and relaxing would be like. There's some hope, but she must confront and say no to what she does not want. Disturbed, wanting to move, not being able to, restless. Time to fight, confront, to say no to 1, 2, 3 people, 4, and then again. Battle's on. It's over, she can make her point. Relax. She walks towards her calling, gently, slowly, not knowing what to expect. It's the unknown. She's floating after the fall. Now she must ground and be blessed by the nature that has invited her to come and be welcomed by it. Welcome to the place where she truly belongs.